Hey everybody, I just got this 1949 Schwinn Phantom bicycle at auction. I thought I would make a quick video just to share it on YouTube. I would love to have any comments or if people have more information about this bike. I'm not at all an expert on Schwinn bikes, so I would love to get some feedback on this. And yeah, let's just do a quick tour. Okay, we'll start at the front. This looks to be the original headlight. If you zoom in, you can just see the Schwinn emblem there. Chrome is super shiny. I'm sure somebody redid all the chrome. Here's the Springer assembly. Got the AS logo on that bolt. Super shiny chrome everywhere. So here's the fork lock assembly. You can see, put it in lock position, and then you can pull the key out. That's locked. That's unlocked. All right, going along the tank, everything looks really nice. This has obviously been repainted. I know some people do not like new paint. They like the original paint, but I think it maybe just depends on the person. This one is, I think, just beautiful. AS logo there. And on this seat, I'd love to get some feedback. I'm guessing this is a replica seat. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to tell if it's got like original parts and it's been refurbished or if it's a replica. But this is what it looks like underneath. Okay, it's got the book rack with the 4 slots. This light does work. It takes 2 D batteries. They've got these decorative buttons and they just clip on. Show you this. The coaster brake arm. Got a really cool hub with the 3 yellow stripes. I don't know if that's a standard part on these old bikes. Here's a better view of the serial number on the dropout. The finish on the wheels does look original. Okay, right side will go front to back. You can see the Schwinn emblem on the wheel. The wheels look to be original, unfinished. The white wall tires are not original, but in great shape. Got the AS logo. On this badge, you can see the original slotted screws. Again, perfect chrome. All right, those who know these bikes know they have a horn on the tank. This one does work. Little scratch on the decal right there, but otherwise very good condition. Really good chrome. Super shiny. Look at that, chainring is just beautiful. AS logo on the pedals. That one's a little hard to see, but it does have Schwinn tubular. And yeah, as you saw, the wheels are not perfect, but they're fairly true for their age, side to side, a tiny bit out of round. That can all be adjusted with spoke tension. I'm probably not going to mess with that myself. All right, so that's the bike. Thanks for watching, and would love to hear any comments or information people have on this bike. I may be keeping it or I may be selling it, so if I do sell it, I will put the information in the description, so check that out, and thanks a lot for watching. See ya.